Okay, today I would like to introducing our 1474WP, which is a Bluetooth audio wall plate with balanced and unbalanced output. Okay, and for this one, you can see there's a volume control and your aux in and the program port, and also in the back you can see there's aux in, which means the audio in, wired audio in, and the audio out, and balanced audio out to the audio power amplifier, and this is a balanced audio out to the amplifier, audio power amplifier. Okay, so you can, and this is a power core for the 501 amp, DC 501 amp power. Okay, so the reason for using this one is because if in your room, let's say if you have two units and those two units have the same UID, unique ID, then at this time you don't know how to you don't know where the music goes through, right? Maybe you will go through this one or this one, you never know. So that's why we need to have a feature to let customer to program their unique ID and password. Okay, let's do a demo. Okay. Okay, here you can see I already connect the power cable and my audio out to this active speaker. Then start over, power on. And here you can see right now my audio source come from my computer. If you want, you can using your audio source from your cell phone also, right? Okay, so let's play the music. Okay, go. Using volume control. Okay, and later on I will using the later on I will try to change the unique ID with our programming cable here. And this programming cable has the micro USB interface to connect here. Okay, wait. Okay, before we program it, we need to connect the programming cable from your computer or laptop to your interface here, right? The programming port. And at this time, because your power is come from USB, so you need to unplug your power. Okay, and then choosing the configure tool here, configuration tool. Here choosing the available port COM3. That's depending on your computer. Okay, and my computer I using the COM3 to program it. And name I will say let's say triple H. Wait. Of course, triple H is not from. Here my triple H means not means the triple H from Pennsylvania. Okay, just a name. Am I right? And maybe full name. Right. I use here which means you already programmed it. And the pin code I would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a pin code 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Okay, and then you close the window. Okay, after we finish programming, change the UID, then we can go to here. I mean, because this I using the computer, so I can choosing the enable Bluetooth. Okay, enable Bluetooth. Then you can see, because in the previous we program this name called triple H, right, or double H here. So you can see right now you have a double H here. So then you just click it. Then which means at this time you already find out the double H, double H. So then you just unplug the program port, then enable the power cord here. Okay. Wait. So okay, here you can see I already connect my power. Then at this time enable Bluetooth. Then find out the triple H, double H. Then because you already changed the pin, so right now he's asking you the pin, and the pin we just type in for 4321, right? So here is your pin number 4321, and enter. Then he say allow. Then so he say connecting successfully. Okay. Then you can just close it. Then find out your music. My music here. And I just play. Here. That's it. No? Next one. Apart. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty easy, huh? Easy to reconfigure your UID and password. Okay. This product seems very good. Very small, but very powerful. Okay. And this port for aux in, and this port for audio out to the amplifier. And the green one is for the unbalanced audio out to the amplifier. Okay. So you see, this program integrates the balanced and unbalanced output to the audio amplifier. Good product. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.